Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter Google searches over by date. So basically when you type something in over on Google and you basically want to only see results for example the last 7 days or the last 24 hours, then here's how you can filter by dates over on the Google search bar. So basically the first thing you just want to do is you literally want to type in whatever you want, so it doesn't really matter. So let's say that we want to type in movie. All you need to do is type in movie. And now let's say that we only want to get results of the last 24 hours because we maybe only want to see movies that came out in the last 24 hours or something, just as an example. Now what you want to do is simply just click on tools. Right here you will find tools, so you will find video, images, news, maps, more, and you will find tools where you can click on. And then this little bar right here extends. And then right here it says anytime, and if you click on that, you can literally just filter on whatever you want. However, you can also just make a custom time range. So for example, from the 10th to the 20th, something like this. And that's basically what you can do. You can go and then you will literally only see results from those between the 10th of January and the 20th of January. And that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, it's really easy. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.